As a YouTuber with more than 30,000 subscribers, he said something that was so motivating and so inspiring that I'll never forget. Hey everyone, I'm back from my long deserved break, and in this video I'm going to go over 3 tips that I think are essential if you're thinking about starting a new YouTube channel. Now, I'm not going to give you clickbait tips that other YouTubers are pushing out, promising 1,000 subscribers in less than a week, and videos like that I think set you up for disappointment, especially if you're starting off your YouTube journey. I started YouTube about 2 months ago and I'm absolutely chuffed that I've got 3,000 subscribers, and at the end of this video I'm going to give a shout out to a few of you in particular who have really helped me by giving me thumbs up, by commenting on my videos, as well as giving me ideas and suggestions on my community page. With that said, let's get started. First thing I'm going to start off with is this idea of having 1,000 true fans. Most people don't understand that when it comes to building a YouTube channel, you need to start by building an audience. And to be successful on YouTube, you don't actually need millions of fans or millions of likes or millions of views or millions of subscribers. You actually only need a handful. This article talks about focusing on your first 1,000 fans, trying to build a real small niche audience that really benefit from the videos that you create. Every video that you make needs to add some sort of value, whether it's entertainment, information, whatever it might be. It's really important to focus on adding value in every video that you begin to create. This is really important because this is how you're going to start building your audience, and at the end of the day, viewers will only continue to watch your videos if you add value to their lives. There are many ways of doing this, and one thing that I found that works quite well is trying to find a niche. Find something that you think you can add that's different to what's on YouTube at the moment. For example, if you're thinking about building a tech review channel, don't start by doing a review on a MacBook. The reason why is because there are hundreds if not thousands of reviews already on YouTube for this very popular product. Instead, try to find less popular things that people are still searching for but maybe not in the millions. This is key because you're going to start to target a smaller audience that are going to buy in and get value from you as a tech reviewer. Now, I'm not sponsored or anything, but this is a classical example of a smaller tech product that many people are probably searching for, but they just can't find content about. Making a good review on a product like this will help you to get your first 15 or 20 subscribers, and eventually that will help you to build out your small audience. If you're starting off your YouTube channel, the key thing is to not try to think about getting 1 million subscribers overnight. Instead, focus on building a small audience and try and engage with them to better understand what videos that they want to see. As you start to create content for them, you'll find that your following starts to grow slowly but surely. Now, the second thing to do is try your best to stay consistent. Now, in another video, I'll talk about a few things that I've figured out about the YouTube algorithm, but for now I'll tell you one of them which is quite relevant for this point about consistency. The YouTube algorithm actually prioritizes those who have been on YouTube for a longer period of time. If you think about it, it doesn't make sense for YouTube to recommend content from someone who just uploaded a month ago. Most people quit YouTube after a couple of videos that they expect or they hoped would get millions of views. So it doesn't make sense for YouTube to start recommending that content if that YouTuber is probably not going to stick around for the long haul. If you actually look at some of the most popular YouTubers today, you'll find that they didn't start making videos a year ago. They actually started much further back. Mr. Beast is an example of a YouTuber that has amassed more than 30 million subscribers, but guess what? His first video was uploaded 8 years ago. MKBHD is another YouTuber that's got more than 10 million subscribers, and he uploaded his first video 12 years ago. It just goes to show that if you want to become a YouTuber, you really need to focus on being consistent in your uploads. Not every single video that you upload on YouTube is going to get the viral views that you expect. To maximize your chances, it's important that you consistently upload, because eventually 1 or 2 of those videos are actually going to go viral. Take a look at this YouTuber who was giving out an iPhone 11 to Harvard students. In one of his videos, he talks about how this is the one video that pulled in most of the subscribers to his channel. Now, you never know which video is actually going to go viral and help you to get your audience, so it's really important to upload consistently to maximize your chances. I think it's safe to say that you should try to upload once a week if you're a new YouTuber, but don't try to rush and upload 2 or 3 times a week, because you're only going to set yourself up for burnout. The last tip that I'm going to give you is find a support network. There are times where I've become very demotivated because I've put so much hours and hours into recording footage, editing that footage, uploading it to YouTube, and the views don't actually equate to the effort that I've put in. Now, I started this video by saying that it's really important to build a small audience and not to worry about these numbers, but I am human, and what can happen is you can quickly become demotivated when things like this happen. The one thing that keeps me in check is having a support network. In my case, I'm lucky to have one of my close friends who's Yahya Vlogs. As a YouTuber with more than 30,000 subscribers, he said something that was so motivating and so inspiring that I'll never forget. He said to me, "Imdad, your YouTube channel is going to be successful, it's going to blow up, but you need to be able to understand and trust in the process. You need to be able to look at those low numbers, accept them, and not let them affect you. And you need to be able to stay motivated and consistent and just grind it out." I took a screenshot of that conversation because I know at some point in the future I'm going to look back at that and remember that is one of the things that kept me inspired and kept me going. Now, Yahya is on YouTube, but I also mentioned another friend named Habib, who is probably the most creative person that I know. He's giving me a load of ideas, but where I'm getting at with this is that you need to try your best to find a support network, people around you that can help you to stay motivated, consistent, and can even probably review and help you to improve your videos. That support network doesn't have to be YouTubers or creators, it just needs to be friends that can help support you in the moments that you're going to need it the most. That's the end of the video. I hope you found it useful. Please do give it a like and please do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you do like and subscribe, let me know in the comments so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Now I'm going to give a shout out to Muhammad Azim, Richard A, Bilal, Omer, Zam, Yasin, Cotton Shirt, Jeff, Metro. All of you guys have really helped me in coming up with video ideas and giving me comments that have helped to shape the content that I've produced on this channel. I hope that I can continue to make videos for you that add value, that help you, because ultimately that's the reason why I started this channel. Thanks again. I'm going to start working on the next set of videos, and until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.